Morphe palette, the new one, the 39S. Such a gem. You want to take a look at this? It's pretty beautiful, in my opinion. I cannot wait to play with this. So, I think I'm gonna do like a purpley pinkish look. I'm gonna put on my face primer using the NYX Pore Filler. There's a lot of shimmers in this palette. And when I was doing the swatches, there were a few that the formula seemed a little chalky to me. But I mean, overall, the swatches were pretty good. I did a few for you, which I'm going to insert here.
This is Swatches!
I'm going to start with, I want to say, this pink shade right here. And I'm going to put that all over my lid. Well, the crease rather, not the lid. And I'm just taking that in back and forth motions. Wow. That's barely just putting any pigment. I personally think it's easier to take the lighter colors and place them down first. And then if you're gonna do a darker color, to just place that over it. Wow. Now I'm gonna go in with the purple shade. This one right here. And I'm doing like a circular motion, and I'm just gonna put it halfway, not go full way, because I want to keep this side pink, because I'm gonna do the cut crease this way. Okay, so I blended it out and stuff off camera to get it a little better. This is the finished look with those blended eyeshadows. I really wish the purple blended out more than how much I had to actually try, because it just took way too long, basically. I'm going to add some black to the look. I'm going to add it on the outside corner right here to deepen up that line. And unfortunately, this palette doesn't have a black, so I'm going to use it from the Chris and Leanne palette. Well, this palette. One of my favorites, actually. This is black. Okay. See that? Now I'm gonna cut the crease. I'm gonna do that with my Tarte Shape Tape.
This is Swatches!
Alright, now I'm gonna let that dry. Okay, now my cut crease is all dry. I'm not really sure what color I'm gonna put on top of this. I feel like I've swatched like 5 different colors that I wanted to use and they were basically all the same, which was like a silvery color. So I guess we can give it a go and see how it works out. So I think I'm gonna try this one right here. So let's give it a whirl.
This is Sparta!
So I'm gonna use a packing brush. And let's see how it works out.
Whoa!
Oh, that's cute. I feel like I've seen reviews and people have used that pan and haven't gotten the results that I did. They weren't really satisfied with it, but it's alright. I mean, it's not the most like blinding color, but it works. And I didn't wet my brush. And I'm really just packing it on the lid, like pressing in. See? Let's wet the brush and see what happens. I'm gonna use the Morphe spray. That makes more of a difference. So if you're gonna use that same color, I would recommend wetting your brush first if you want more of like an extra color. So here's that. I can zoom in for you too. Really, camera? So I'm going to fix up the colors that the cut crease went into. So that's just taking, again, the black color that I used. Looking for my brush.
This is Sparta!
Then just blending it in. Again. And you can also go over with that purple again, or any of the colors that you used, if you want them to pop more. So I'm going to just put mascara on with this. I personally cannot do false lashes. I've tried like 1,000 times and still don't have it yet, so still working on it. I want to be able to do it. I have them, just can't use them yet. So I'm going to actually use the Lash Sense. It's by the company Senegence, and it's actually one of my favorite mascaras, which I'm going to be doing a video on their products as well, coming soon. Because I love this mascara. Like, look at my lashes right now, okay? Basically non-existent. Yeah, so. Okay, I put my mascara on. This is what it looks like. Do you see the difference? It's insane. And I quickly put that on. I know you can't tell because it's a video, but Took like 2 seconds. So, next I am going to take the black and I'm gonna connect it under here. Then I'm gonna take the purple that we used as well. God, that purple shade really does not like to come out, no matter what brush you use. Okay, and then I'm gonna take the silver shade that we used and I'm gonna put that under as well.
This is Spartans!
I'm putting it in then my outer corner as well. Okay. So next I'm gonna do my foundation real quick. So for foundation, I use a combination of the new Morphe foundation and the L'Oreal Invaluable. And I think it gives me a nice coverage. I do have acne, so I'm happy with the way it comes out. I'm gonna do some bronzer now, and I use the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. I don't really do too much bronzer because I really don't care about it. I know, shocking, right? Okay, that's about all I'm gonna do, you guys. Oh wow. Next I am going to do blush, and I use the Tarte blush in Exposed. Not too pigmented. I don't technically use a lot of blush because I am Irish and my cheeks get pretty rosy throughout the day on their own. without any help. I don't like to accentuate that. I am going to use the Opera highlighter in Rodeo Drive. And I'm gonna use the Morphe M501. Is that showing up at all?
Es Spartas!
Oh, no, you can see that. Yeah, it's okay. Give me all the highlight. Cute. Can you see that? Alright, for a lip color, I have these three. I have the Opera and Mocha, or the Urban Decay Vice lipsticks. This one is in, what is this one? ZZ. And this one is in Back Talk, which this is my favorite color. So I think I'm actually going to use the Back Talk one. I love that applicator. Alright, now I am going to use my Morphe setting spray. Ready? Here's the final look. Pretty cute, right? I think so. Like I said, with some of these shadows, they felt a little chalky while doing swatches. But, I mean, overall, I'm obsessed with this palette, and I definitely will use it more. It has some really nice colors. There's a nice combination of mattes and shimmers in it, so if you're more of a matte person, then you'll be okay. They have good base colors, too. You know, they have your neutrals that you can start out with. I am more of a color person. But yeah, I mean, overall, I thought this was a really good palette to use. I highly recommend it, and I think that whoever was on the fence about getting it, I think you should go for it because it's worth it. Definitely worth it. The price is nice too, so it's not like some other palettes out there that are like over $50. This one is decently priced. Yeah, so here it is. The Morphe 39S palette. Worth it. Thank you for watching my channel, as always. I hope to have more to come. I'm a little lazy when it comes to filming, but I have a lot of ideas and I have a lot of palettes that I would like to review, and I would like to do more tutorials for you. So if you like this video and you got this far, please give it a like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification. And thank you for watching. I hope you have an amazing day. Thank you.